Hey guys, it's Matt. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make a video using Microsoft PowerPoint. So first thing, open up an existing PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to skip to just the parts that I want to record. So on Friday I recorded myself teaching section 1 of this presentation. It's about economic resources for a class on civics economics. Now notice that the bottom right of each of the slides has a little audio icon. That means that I've recorded myself teaching onto those slides. Now here's how I did that. So click on the slideshow tab, record slideshow, start recording from the current slide. And so then I taught this section on economics, about the factors of production. And when I finished, I hit escape, just like I would end a presentation. Now, I want to publish this from a PowerPoint presentation into a video. So I need to hide all of the slides that I don't want to be featured in the video. So I'm going to select those, right click, hide slide, and go back up, select, hold shift. Now, only the slides that I want to publish are visible. So now I'm ready. I'm going to click File, Save As, tell it where I want to save it. Now this is really important when it gets to Save As type. PowerPoint has a lot of powerful features here. You can save it as a PDF, you can save it as an MP4, but I'm going to choose Windows Media Video, so WMV, and then click Save. So the process itself takes about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the length and size of your presentation. If you have embedded video, it can take several hours. But this is what the finished product looks like. So notice it's just a Windows Media Video.
About chapter
It's
19,
just simply
section 1.
me teaching the presentation. So notice it starts with the first slide, and then it's about an 18-minute video. So this was me teaching this lesson. So you can publish those to YouTube, and it just makes a simple way to record lessons. Now, I would also advise that you run these presentations through a video editing software like Camtasia to make sure that you cut out any unwanted pieces. If you embed any types of media into your video, you can edit those or cut those out with video editing software. So that's usually a second step that I run through. So for example, once I'm finished with the recording, I would upload it to Camtasia just to check to make sure everything is the way that I want it to be before I publish. And so it's also really important that you back this stuff up. I've lost an entire course's worth of recordings one time from dropping a external hard drive, so I like to back stuff up using Google Drive now. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed.